High-tech manufacturers, they are building the most complex products ever, but they are losing margins on every product that they are making. The challenge isn't engineering. The products are often brilliant. The challenge is execution. 40, 50, sometimes more levels of subassemblies and operators trained on paper SOPs and tribal knowledge. Design changes that never quite reach the shop floor in time. When something goes wrong, a wrong torque, a missed step, a wrong component, you don't find out at the workstation. You find out at the end of the line, or worse, at your customer. A good example of how it can be done is Navtech Radar. They build precision radar systems for safety-critical environments. After working with us, 30% fewer assembly errors, administrative overhead cut in half. Richard Morris, their operations director, said it best.
Azumuta empowers our operators. They know that they're doing the right task and they know they've got the right instructions to complete it. The way that it integrates with our MRP system means that their jobs are prioritised in the order of greatest need, so they can be most effective. So overall, it's been game-changing for us at Navtech.
In high-tech, one error doesn't cost a part, it cascades. Disassembly, rework, shipment delay, customer complaints, and most of it stays invisible. Your ERP system shows a delivery slip. It doesn't show the 3 hours of rework on line 4. The manufacturers winning right now are making their processes as sophisticated as products. Guided assembly, inline quality, traceability that builds itself. And it's not about adding software, it's about closing the gap between what's designed and what actually gets built. If this sounds familiar, let's talk.